One of the really important things about the Scholar Award is that it provides a mechanism where the best scientists can pursue innovative, risky ideas.
The importance of pursuing high-risk or unusual research is that maybe you could make an advancement at a faster pace.
Without being able to fund high-risk projects, we're not going to have really innovative science, and we're not going to be able to take the big steps.
The study section invests in people more so than projects, and I think that creative people in the right environment will always be creative.
The review committee probably notices there's something special about this person and we need to foster this person's development. They may have something very important to contribute to the future, to our field.
You didn't necessarily have to have all the evidence already lined up to show you could do it, but instead, I think Ash weighted a little more heavily. Oh, you have the toolbox to do it. You know, you have the intellectual capacity to do it. You have the right model system to do it. And that was rather unique.
It's usually the time when you're the most creative, I would think, and where you're just sort of full of new ideas. You usually are just out of your postdoc, so you're very familiar with all the cutting edge technologies, all the new things.
Having this group of folks say, hey, you know, we believe in you and we believe in high risk, high reward research really enabled me to get this project off the ground.
The findings that have occurred in hematology have impact not just on the field of hematology, but also on general biology.
Everything that we do in terms of this kind of research is at the cutting edge of human knowledge. And every experiment that we do, if every experiment we did worked, we're not doing the right experiments.
And I think it's impossible to get these kinds of basic insights unless you're really willing to pursue difficult, complex projects.
Almost always leads to understanding that then can apply for other diseases.
Having an award like the Ash Scholar Award really allows people to take those risks and do the difficult experiments, the challenging experiments, and make a real difference.
And that's what we are scientists. We are there to probe new ground, discover new things.
It just really goes to show that if you fund the right people and the right projects, then you'll have amazing outcomes.
I'm sure there are many, many people who have succeeded that could not have succeeded without this award.